Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a house tour of the Johnsons house. And we're going to be coming out of more role plays with baby Kaylee. You already know. We're going to be coming out with more role plays of baby Jaden and of baby Landon. And we might add another person to the role play. And her name we're still thinking, baby Carmela. We might add her to the role play, but this is our role play house. If we do add baby Carmela, she will be a baby as well. We're going to have to make another room upstairs just for baby Carmela and baby Kaylee. And I think we're going to be doing that because I really want to do that. But yeah, so let's get on with the house tour. So we got a car. We really needed one. It only has 2 seats though. So because we have such a big family, that's all we. Also, we have scooters and skateboards, and we're gonna get like more bikes and everything. But we also have a stroller. So when you walk into the house, I'm gonna show you the kitchen. The kitchen got a lot of renovation. We added a shelf, and we have more appliances now. And then this is our table, and it has food on it for the next role play. This is our bathroom, very nice and clean. I renovated it by adding toilet paper, by adding a shelf, and I also have a hairbrush on there and a towel. Same with the mirror as well. Living room stayed the same. Did not add any renovations to there. Trampoline, and with the rest of the space out here, we're going to be putting a pool there. And then this is me and baby Kaylee's room. And basically, if her and baby Carmela, if we add Carmela to the roleplay, this will be her and Carmela's room, but we're going to split half of it into a closet, and then the rest half of it they'll have to share the room. If you get what I'm saying, it's a little not descriptive, but I didn't show you something. And here we have a closet. If you're new to our roleplay, we have a closet in here, just with one hanging rack thing for clothes. And then right here we have the boys' room. We have 2 boys in the roleplay, and I think we are gonna add Carmela into the roleplay, but we really won't all be at the same time because it's too hectic and too much for me to handle. Next, we have the balcony with a table and chairs. This is for the family. We have a really big family, so I'm gonna have to use that. Close the door. Door's closed. Okay, so I added an automatic door to the kids' balcony / playhouse because like the kids don't really know how to open the doors. So we have a TV, we have a snowballs, we have a teddy, we have a bunch of toys, we have seats, we have a bench, we have like balloons, we have more toys, we have a bookshelf, we have a small little Christmas tree, we have a sandcastle, and a sand bucket. But if you're wondering, what is this ladder? What is this floor? What is this stairs? So this is what we use for our balcony. So basically, if you guys want to go, we go sledding in a lot of our episodes. So you have to grab one, you have to go on here, and then you sit and enjoy the ride. So this brings us to the end of the video. I hope you like and subscribe. And I think we are going to be adding in baby Carmela. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to like my room and baby Haley's room. I have to like move that and whatever. Yeah, I have to move that, and then I have to do a really small room for me. Um, so I might do a video of me building Carmilla and baby Kelly's room, and then the closet, and then my really small room upstairs. But I think that's it for the video. So let's listen to talk for 30 seconds. Can we just talk? Hi guys. Go on before we get off.